Hey mamas, it's your Cajun Stork here. As a midwife, there's a few products that I just can't live without. So if you're looking for a heavy duty midwife bag, this is it. But before I begin, my name's Midwife Kyra and I believe in truly natural birth because I know it makes for better birth experiences. Consider subscribing to my channel and joining in today's conversation about heavy duty midwife birth bags. If you guys want to check out more information on this bag, I'm going to post a link to the Iron Duck bag in the description below. Now this is the Iron Duck heavy duty midwife bag. It's actually one of the first, well second, but first one that I've loved, birth bag that I purchased when I started being a midwife about 5 or 6 years ago. And I absolutely, without a doubt, love this bag. And let me show you why. So let's start with the outside of this bag. One of my favorite features about the Iron Duck bag is these really thick and very padded shoulder straps. I have carried this bag up to third floor apartment deliveries and carried this on my shoulder sometimes for even long distances through big parking lots and whatnot. And this is a really comfortable and easy wear thanks to these really durable straps. These little hooks right here are metal, so it doesn't really matter how heavy the bag is. These hooks are very durable. And also it comes with this really thick buckle, so you can make adjustments as needed for the weight of the bag or the way that you want to distribute the weight as you're carrying it. So I absolutely love this feature right here. It makes this giant bag a really comfortable wear. Also, it comes with this little pocket right here on the back where I can kind of keep my iPad for my notes or any, currently I have a blank notepad that I keep in here. So this pocket on the outside is actually really handy when it comes to needing quick access to things. On the front right here, it has exterior pockets before you even get to the inside. And what I love about these exterior pockets is the easy zip, easy access to them. Where's my zipper here? There's elastic holders here that will help you to hold stuff that needs to be in place, like your thermometer, or maybe some glass bottled herbs or things like that. So I really love that feature. This is where I'm able to keep all of my quick supplies that I need at every visit, such as a blood pressure cuff or my Doppler and my ultrasound gel. And I just really love the durable nylon that this bag comes with because it really protects the products on the inside. And to this day, I haven't had any damage to my products on the inside through the exterior of this bag. On the interior, right here, we have even a more durable zipper with this heavy duty zipper here. And to open it, you just unzip it. It unzips all the way around. You can hold on to these little rubber straps and open yourself up here. And now we're looking at this just incredible interior, very spacious, full of extra pockets and little bags that can help you stay organized and easy access of all of your products, and also zipper enclosures to prevent everything from mixing during transport. Because as you know, if you're needing this bag for home birth, you're going to be doing a lot of moving around. This bag is actually fully packed right now, and even fully packed, I still have space to add more. So if you have a very busy home birth practice, you can add multiple items in here and still have plenty of space. Now underneath these Chucks pads is a section that you can hold a small oxygen tank. I think it's a B or a C oxygen tank. I actually carry a D oxygen tank to burst behind on a roller, but if you wanted to carry an oxygen tank, there are these straps right here that you can use, very durable straps with, I think this is nylon, it's pretty thick, that you can strap your oxygen tank in place. Touching this little section right here is these little dividers right here, which are actually attached to the bag. In a couple of minutes, I'll show you another set that's not attached to the bag so you can remove them. These being attached to the bag are really great because they're very durable. They come with these zippers right here to keep everything organized, to prevent things from mixing around your bag because everything's gonna be mobile. And then this is a really heavy duty durable plastic here. I wrote on these bags exactly what I have in each section so I can make sure my inventory is up to date. But being that they're see-through really makes it easy, and these little nylon pouches right here at the top just really keep things nice and secure in there. Here. So now let's flip over to the other side of this divider. And before I get into this, I want to remind you guys that there's a link to this bag in the description below where you can go and get other people's reviews and check it out and see for yourself if you want actual dimensions or things like that. But let's look at this side of the bag. So I really love this side of the bag. I remember when I first got this bag, I wasn't really sure how I was going to use all of these little elastic pieces. But as you can see here, I carry herbs, as most midwives do, to a birth. And these little elastic pieces are perfect no matter the size of the herbal container that I'm using. And my containers are actually glass, and what I love about this bag is because it's so durable and the way that it's designed, I have never had any of my items in this bag damaged or broken, including my glass bottles, which is really great. Behind the glass bottles is this little strap where you can insert things here. I actually used to keep, and usually keep, should I say, the midwife's handbook in here for a quick reference guide when I'm at births. So it is big enough to fit like a small book. Not quite big enough for an iPad, but pretty large. And there's even more little hidden spaces right here in between where I keep little cheat sheets where I put maternal and newborn vital signs for my birth assistants as reminders. But it's pretty big too. I can actually fit both of my hands in here if you had other things that you'd want to put in. So it has this really durable nylon here, and we're going to open it up. And inside are these 3 compartments, which are expandable. And so as you can see, I have this tiny little chlorhexidine scrub brush in here. And then it also can expand as large as to fit even like a pair of Depends or whatnot in these sections. And again, with that really durable plastic. And it has these nice long Velcro stretches. And what I love about this is whether you have small things like I do where you need a nice secure fit, or you have big bulkier items where you need to Velcro just at the top, you have lots of space to expand in this section. Down below that, we have 2 more really large pockets. And again, you know, they're huge. They fit all kinds of things. I would say I probably have 6 pairs of sterile gloves and at least 10, oh gosh, what are they called? 10 sterile gauze in this pocket, and I still have all of this space to expand. And again, you have that nice long strip of really good quality Velcro. So if you really have a very busy home birth practice where you just need to stuff this bag to the gills, you really can do that with the versatility of these pockets. Within the walls of this separator is this really heavy duty like plastic sheet in there almost that really keeps this nice and stiff so your bag's not gonna like start to collapse on itself. You can see I'm just holding it up and it's still in really, really good condition even after all these years of use. Moving into this section, what I love about this section is that these cute and color coordinated bags actually have Velcro. So you can actually remove them if you want to use them for, let's say, neonatal resuscitation, or if you wanted to use them for some other thing that you would want at your birth that you would want to have separate or placed elsewhere. For me, I have mine separated this way because I've always used it this way, which is a baby section, a needle section or any blood product, and I have blue for water, so membrane rupture, amniotic fluid, things like that. And so you can see that my baby bag is it's really stuffed. I have everything that I need in here, and I still have space to expand it, even with this big old plastic protector here, this plastic divider here. I still have space. These bags are also removable, and if you can see here, really, really heavy duty Velcro here to help you make sure that however you need it, it's there and it sticks and it doesn't go tumbling around while you're being mobile. On the other side, let me flip this around. This is something that I learned after using this bag, is there's these 2 secret pockets right here underneath these bags where I can safely keep my sterilized birth instruments and my sterilized suturing instruments in a safe place where they won't get punctured or puncture itself, because it's nice and protected in these little cubbies. I'm sure there's a lot of other things you can use these cubbies for. They're very large. You can absolutely fit a standard iPad in there. You can definitely fit even some books in there if you really wanted to carry that kind of weight around. But these are really, really large pockets, and that's how I use them, and I love it. Iron Duck also sells some extra accessories that as a midwife you might want to use. I'm going to go ahead and post those in the link below. Do you have any questions about this bag? Are you thinking about buying it? Because I'm telling you, there are 3 things as a midwife that I can't live without, and this bag is one of them. So if you guys want to see a little video about everything that I have inside of this birth bag, maybe you bought this bag and you want to know exactly how to stuff it, I have a video just for that right here I'm going to put up on the screen, and it's about every compartment that I have in this bag to prepare for my home births. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching this Midwife Monday. Bye-bye.